Welcome back. I figured out how to turn my flashlight off.
And I'll initiate my search for
Okay, so I've also played with some of the audio settings and stuff as well because it's a little bit loud, the music and stuff, and you could hardly hear me. I'll just change that around as well. So, yeah, sure.
All right. Lead the way.
proud to serve, sir. What's all? Not this time.
Oh, I killed everything. Never mind.
Nothing but snow all around you. Well, that about takes care of that.
Okay.
Sir,
Cool.
your family isn't here either.
No, they're not.
They're really gone, aren't they?
Ooh. Safe. Job done.
Nice.
Watch it, Minix. Right. Ooh. That. That's good damage speed. Medium. Okay, so it's fire rate is better. Range is the same. Accuracy is better. Weight is more. Okay. Oh, Codsworth. Wait up. So yeah, I'm actually quite looking forward to actually getting out, getting past the beginning bit and stuff like that because it takes a while to get into it
Hey,
apparently.
Codsworth.
So
Sir, the missus and young Sean, they aren't here.
no, they're not.
Sean's out there, Codsworth. I need to find him.
What about Concord, sir? Plenty of people there. And last I checked, they only pummeled me with sticks a few times before I had to run back home.
Concord.
There's still people alive in Concord?
Yes, although they're a bit rough. You remember the way? Just across the southern footbridge, out of the neighborhood, and past the Red Rocket Station? I shall remain here and secure the home front.
Red Rocket, hey? Right, let's go. Where am I going? Go this way. Okay, here's a bridge. Yonder. Huh. Sweet. So yeah, when you get started, hopefully you should just get a little bit more energetic and stuff in this game. Because I know the start is a bit lackluster of fun and stuff, so. Okay, nothing down here. Ugh. Red Rocket. Now, if I'm mistaken. Aha!
Hey, boy. What are you doing out here all by yourself?
Doggy. Where's your owner?
Who's your owner, buddy? Okay, then. Let's stick together.
Dog.
Hey.
Oh.
Over here.
Okay, fine.
Head
go
over
fine.
there.
What did you find? He's running in here, so. Sweet. Stealth boy. Oh, back, beautiful. No! That's okay. Don't panic. Nothing. Your war money. Yes. forgot. Run that back. Oh shit. Fucking shrews, man. Ah. Is that it? Beautiful, beautiful. Right. Are they all dead? Okay, back to home quickly. Now this is what I wanted to get.
Yes.
Boom. Sweet.
I'm coming, buddy.
I'm coming, little guy. Oh. Ah. Okay. Let's just check something first. Okay. Cool. Right. Back to the station. Red rocket. Rocket. Can I quick travel? Yes. Excellent. Oh. Well, it's night, I guess. Going now, I guess. No. What? Ah. That was. Raid all these houses. Let's take a look. Ooh. Look upstairs. We can raid a stash, and I hear some bugs. What the? What the? What? Jesus. Blood everywhere. Oh, probably why. Right, anyway, wait. Yeah, take. And he's off again. Beautiful. Sweet.
Lock tight.
Nothing worse than finding a lock you can't open. I need to get advanced lockpick. You can kill a load of shit and come back. How annoying. Getting experience? A little bit. But the only house I can... Great. Dog found an enemy. Well, where the hell is the dog? Boom. Ah. Oh. That'd have been good. Nothing in the boots. No. Nothing at all. Oh. What's that? Shots. Oh. Okay, no, never mind. I guess I'll go here first. I'm not good with jump scares either. Let's see how this goes. Aha! Eh? And Ah. Oh, I'll take your sugar bombs, thank you. What the fuck? Whoa! Shit, that hurts. Ah. Fuck. Back it up. You're gonna die on me. There we go. Jesus, that hurt. No, you'll be alright. Come on. Puppy dog. What was he eating? Mobile shotgun? Nice. Armor and stuff as well. Okay, let's... So, sort. You. My pistol. 1. Okay. So, apparel. Dirty tan suit. No armor. No armor. Right, I think. Okay, so put that on. Why not? Not the summer shorts this time. Wearing welding goggles. Yeah, why not? Okay. Oh yeah. Anything else? What? How the? Oh. Sweet. We have secrets. Not in a minute. Whoa. Kill him. What the fuck? Okay, no problem. Quite big around here, actually. It was just gonna be like a little tunnel. Right, let's go back before we go that way. It looks like the right way, so. It's a small little room. Yes, yes. Light pistol. Leather chest, please. Piece.
Perfect.
Ace toe. Okay. Yeah. Yep. Yeah, we can just scrap it all, I guess, can't we? Cool. Right. I'll keep around in a circle. Whoa, 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 what the? Okay. Not see them at all. Big. Okay, that's the way out. Ah, good. Okay, good, good. You better heal up to it. Aid. What does he want? Back, here we go. Beautiful. Beautiful. Yeah, so we've got to explore that chute and see what that was, because randomly started happening. Go in here? I did not. Oh, I forgot. Walk around, walk around. How did I even get there? This way. We'll see. Well, it's on the way out anyway, so. Maybe. This looks like the way out as well. Go there. Good. Good. Okay. Ah. Hold down.
That's it.
And got a lunchbox. Right, let's try and find how the hell to get to that room. Just to make sure. Let's see. I don't really want to use all my shotgun ammo. Oops, wrong way. Am I being a dumbass? Ah. Wasn't really worth it, was it? Well, let's come out that other end this time. That'll probably be close to where the shooting was. Everything, yep, everything's all good.
Other side's chained up.
Ah. Lessons will be learned. Or learnt. Get in? Can I get round that way at all? We're just wasting ammo here. Bag. Nope. Not that way then. This one? Let's just go out. Okay, fine. The shooting just stopped. I miss it all.
You're still alive?
Oh, no.
Christ. Disappearing out, huh? You're mine now, rookie.
Gotcha. I suppose this is like a bookstore. Ooh. Good around here. Military cap. Sweet. Actually, let's see what new apparel. Right arm. Down, but we'll go for all I said. Look better. So where is that? Sweet. Bane of my life.
This.
Really need to level up. Actually, when did I last level up? Ugh. A while. I missed? Is it just the chest in here that I'm missing? Rubber or something, is it? Up there. Stairs. Yeah, what's that? Coca-Cola.
Don't think I can pick this.
Getting depressed now. Really, really depressed. Fuck me. Okay, that. I'll have two of them. Hey. Take that. Yeah. This guy's just high on drugs. Oh yeah, probably. And that's it. We can go out here. Commonwealth. Break my kneecaps that way. No, good. I kind of lied at the start when I said I was going to check everywhere. I think at the start, just to get a little bit of a head start, it's always handy, so... Up here? Sniper or something? We'll go across to another roof. Up around here? Advantage of being up here? Oh, okay. Mind. One while it lasted. Okay, maybe something up here. No. Right, let's just go to the quest area. We've got a few different places to go. I want to go over this one. Hopefully find some more bad guys. Then we'll have to try and find all those safes again.
Hey, up here, on the balcony. I've got a group of settlers inside. The raiders are almost through the door. Grab that laser musket and help us, please.
Okay. Where is it? Inventory. Weapon. Wait. Right, so once I've gone then, I need to go back to that safe, that room, and the other safe. Can't forget about them. Definitely not. Fuck some people up. Is he a bad guy? Yes, he is. Oh man, I have a lot of ammo in this. Oh. Okay. That one was real. No problem. We'll just take that stuff to start with. Change it all over later.
Oh, I know you're here.
Oh yes. Dog. Okay.
Fucking hide from me. You're dead.
Very quickly. They'll be alright. They'll be fine. They're locked in that room. Oh no, it wouldn't be that, would it? Do one likeness. Be that, won't be that. That. Like. Likeness. It's. Okay. 10 seconds. Am I stuck? Oh dear. Oh dear. Okay, so it did say there were some bugs in the game, but this is, well. I know everything is a sign. Let's leave that stuff for now. We'll come back to it later. Okay, let's not balls this up this time. It's stuck. So let's zero likeness.
That's it.
There we go. Unlock key. Unlocking. Yay, we're not stuck. Excellent. Wait. Was it just...
Time's up, asshole.
What? Oh.
Need some cover fire over here.
Okay, let's stand at this side and open it. Do that.
Covering fire.
There somewhere. Oh. Could have just walked all the way around. Okay, next guy. I don't really care, I'm just fucking gonna loot. Fuck him. Soap, who needs that? Right, how do I get upstairs? Wait, oh, there's a way around here, wasn't there? Here? Fucking shotgun shells. Sweet. Oh! Revolver rifle. Nice.
I'm coming in there, and I'm gonna skin every last one of you.
Gotcha. Oh. Oh. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Did I shoot the dog? Oops. No problem. I have ammo for that now. Okay. Are we done? We're done.
Man, I don't know who you are, but your timing's impeccable. Preston Garvey, Commonwealth Minuteman.